Cold as a night without you here, just your absence ringing in my ears. And hard as the heart that feels no fear, 'cause without the bad the good disappears. As long as the road that leads me home, and longer still when I walk alone. Bitter is the thought of all that time spent searching for something I'll never find. Take this burden away from me and bury it before it buries me.
Many other days I've wanted to cease, lay myself down and find some relief. Heavy is the head that gets no sleep. We carry our lives around in our memories. So take away this apathy and bury it before it buries me.
Steady is the hand that's come to terms with the lessons it has had to learn. And I've seen the things that I must do, but Lord, this road is meant for two. So I'm waiting here for you.
So take my hand and set me free. Take my burdens and bury them deep.
Take this burden away from me. Bury it before, bury it before, bury it.